Today I'm going to be showing my squishy collection of 2019. And I'm also watching some YouTube, so yeah.
Maria.
That's my mama.
Squisher mama.
Yep, she is, and she's very talented. My dog is biting my box,
Yeah.
and I want him to stop it.
Alright, there we stop.
You gotta stop. So, the first squishy I have is this strawberry. It's really cute. Right there. The next one I have is this Galaxy ice cream. It's really good. Some of these squishies are kind of old, but this one is like so good. Next one I have is this soft and slow squishies hot dog from the Happy Foods. Smells like cotton candy. What's the face? I have a lot of squishies, so yeah. Next one I have is this Magic Milk. The designers, and when you put a magnifying glass to it, there are little secrets on here. Little like hidden stuff. It's really good. It smells like milk. Next one I have is this Munchie. Well, it kind of smells like butter popcorn a little bit, but like not like a lot. And look, for the white, it's hearts. The next one I have is this extreme soft and slow squishy. Smells like great medicine, which I'm not going to smell because I hate it. Really good. The next one I have is this Ryan's World Red Titan Squishy, more like Blue Titan. There's those versions of these, you can get a red and a blue. I got the blue one because I really like it. This is mine. He smells like foam. Sorry. Ah, my squishy fell. The next one I have is this Soft Little Squishies Poop. Unicorn poop. Let's see if it's slow rising. Okay guys, I'm actually going to go down on the floor for this. Because, yeah. It smells like freaking Cheerios. How you doing, mate? I'm moving some of my squishies. I'm gonna make. I have a lot, but I'm not gonna be showing a lot of them. I'm just gonna put some. Now I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm also gonna be showing after those two what happens when you bring a squishy to school. It's really slow, right? And it's purple, blue, and pink. It's really cool. Well, that's all for part 1. And yep. And yes. Wait till part 2.